Judge Chutkan surprises everyone by dismissing the jury following Trump's move. Before we continue, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Judge Chutkan issued a formal order Friday adjourning the trial, along with instructions to potential jurors who had just completed a pretrial questionnaire. The instructions specifically stated that these potential jurors were not to appear in court the following week. The change came as the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals considered former President Donald Trump's immunity claim from prosecution. Trump's defense team has built a strong argument around the idea that the former president is shielded from federal prosecutors for alleged crimes committed during his presidency. The core of their defense was the historic lack of criminal prosecution of sitting presidents for acts of officialdom. They emphasized the complexity and gravity of the issue and argued that the court's decision was of great importance. Judge Chutkan's decision to postpone the trial shows that she recognizes the critical issue of presidential immunity must be resolved before Mr. Trump's trial begins. This move is consistent with a broader trend in the legal community to carefully consider and clarify the contours of a former president's immunity, especially in light of allegations arising from conduct committed during his time in office. The core of Trump's legal argument revolves around the claim that a sitting president is immune from federal prosecution for official acts committed while in office. This position is based on constitutional considerations and past precedent, and emphasizes a careful balance between executive functions and principles of responsibility. The complexity of the issue is accentuated by the unprecedented nature of criminal charges against a former president for acts committed in an official capacity. Trump's legal team argues that such legal maneuvers would set a significant and lasting precedent that would require careful consideration by the courts because it could affect the functioning of the presidency. It is claimed that the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals is currently at the center of legal debates that go beyond specific cases. The review of former President Trump's immunity claims reflects a broader legal landscape that grapples with the complexities of presidential liability and the scope of immunity for official acts. As this legal story unfolds, it leads to a nuanced examination of constitutional principles, precedent, and the delicate balance of executive power and responsibility. The postponement of the trial marks a pivotal moment as courts grapple with the serious implications of immunity claims and recognize the need for thorough consideration before proceeding with prosecutions of former presidents. Judge Chutkan's formal order delaying the trial and the subsequent consideration of Mr. Trump's immunity request by the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals illustrate the complexity and importance of the legal issue at hand. Mr. Trump's claim for immunity from federal prosecution for his official conduct while president sets the stage for an important precedent that could have far-reaching implications. The court's careful consideration of this issue highlights the delicate balance required when addressing issues of presidential privilege, accountability, and the preservation of constitutional principles. Thanks for watching till the end. Share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you.